So I don't have anything on my face right now, as you can see, kasi I wanna swatch this She Glam Color Bloom Liquid Blush in Love Cake. Ang cute ng ano niya, packaging niya. And this is very long wearing, lightweight gel to cream formula, and then highly pigmented na din siya. This is the swatch. Yan. Ang ganda niya, guys. See? This comes in 15 shades. This retails for $299 for 5.2 ml of product. So, dito, isa-swatch ko siya using my hand, and this one here, using my brush. You only need 3 dots. Blendable naman siya, guys. Yan, wala ko anything on my face because really, I wanna see the color payoff niya kung sa bare skin. Yan you guys. On this side, I wanna blend it using a brush. 3 dots. Ang ganda ng kulay na to. Nag-viral to dito eh. Matagal na sa akin to pero hindi ko nabubuksan. Ngayon ko lang nabuksan. Guys. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. Very refreshing sa face. Fresh na fresh yung face mo tingnan. Hindi naman siya patchy. You guys, pero mas maganda pa rin. Pwede siyang i-blend sa kamay, pero mas maganda pa rin kung may brush kayo pang blend. This is Love Cake from She Glam. Ang ganda. Maganda siya. Bare face talaga. I-ano ko lang siya. Nabiblend siya sa kamay, pero I would suggest use a brush, you guys. Kasi mas madali siyang i-blend. Hindi nagtra-transfer yung ano niya, yung pigment niya sa kamay mo mismo or sa brush. I can wear this every day, you guys. Very natural siya tingnan. I like this. This one, once again, is Love Cake from She Glam.